I have an awesome new item for you today. This is the Aula mechanical keyboard. I'm sure you've heard of this company before. They make many great keyboards. This version right here is the Win FZ088 Pro mechanical keyboard. Let's open it up and see what's all included. It comes with some instructions. It also comes with a key puller. And then the keyboard itself. This is a very nice looking keyboard. This keyboard is RGB rainbow backlit. This is the wired version. It also comes with some media keys and a media dial. These are also programmable. That's a pretty cool feature. On the back, it's also got some risers and some rubber feet. Let's get this hooked up and see what it looks like. I'm absolutely loving the color of this keyboard. Just look how pretty it is. The rainbow RGB looks amazing. It's flickering on camera, but it's just a solid color in real life. You can also press in the media button to cycle through the different backlights. I really like this one. That's awesome. That's my favorite feature. And it's also got the risers on the back. It also comes with this key removal tool. Very nice. It has the red switches. I really like that feature. These are the best switches you can get.